Hi guys, this is Sobi Kitchen and you're welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make the authentic Nigerian Akara. Akara is also known as bean cake. In this recipe, you will learn how to make a very fluffy and crispy Akara. Let's get straight into the video. I have some beans here. I'll be washing and peeling the beans. After washing and peeling, I'll go ahead and soak the beans for 1 hour before blending. I'll be blending just the beans into a very smooth paste without adding anything into it. Soaking the beans before blending makes the beans softer and it will double in size. Now I'll be sharing the bean paste into 2 equal parts. I'll work on the first half and after seasoning and frying, I'll move to the second half. I'll be working on the paste by continuously mixing until it looks fluffy, smooth like ice cream, and it doubles in size. You do this by incorporating air into the paste or batter. If this is your first time stopping by, please like, share, and subscribe. There are several ways to mix your akara batter or your akara paste. First, you can use a wooden spatula just like what I am using now. I'll be adding some salt for more taste and continue mixing. You can also mix your akara batter or paste by using hand whisk, an electric mixer, or the ancestral method, which is mortar and pestle. I'll be adding some seasoning powder now and continue mixing. For this recipe, I'll be mixing my akara batter for up to 20 minutes. Whichever method you choose to mix your beans batter is okay. The goal is to incorporate air into the batter or into the paste for smoother, creamier, and fluffier akara. It makes it also double in size. Akara is a very flavorful bean dish eaten as breakfast or sometimes as a snack. Akara is a popular Nigerian breakfast and it's one of my favorites. I ate it a lot as a kid and it always felt like a big treat. One very important thing to take note of when blending the beans, the amount of water you add when blending. You don't need too much water when blending the beans, and after blending, there's no need to add water before frying your akara. The key to a good akara is to use minimal water, little amount of water. I'm done mixing here and you can see it's looking all smooth, creamy, fluffy and double in size. Time to spice it up. I'll be adding some chopped scotch bonnet pepper and chopped onion. Enough onion. After adding that, I'll then give it a good mix with my spoon before frying. And to fry the akara, I'll be needing a good amount of vegetable oil to deep fry. This is the best recipe for that authentic Nigerian fried akara. This recipe will give you a very crispy, fluffy, and delicious akara. The next thing to do is to set my pan on the fire and pour some vegetable oil into it. I'll be throwing in some onion to check the temperature of the oil if it is hot enough to start frying. If the onion begins to float, then the oil is ready. Throwing some onion into your vegetable oil before frying also adds an additional flavor to your oil. Scoop in your batter into the oil according to your desired akara size. After scooping into the oil, wait for a few minutes and stand by to flip the akara on each side until they are well cooked, looking crispy and golden brown. When scooping, to know if you have a good batter and you are going to get a perfect akara is when you scoop and the batter floats on the oil. That is a sign of a very good recipe, a good and perfect authentic Nigerian akara. That is what you will get, crispy and fluffy. It has to float on the oil. Time to flip and turn as we let it fry on a medium heat. Akara is a roadside street food in Nigeria that is being sold in the mornings or evenings. Nigerian akara is the most delicious, I must say. You can use this recipe to make akara with your choice of beans and you will get a very good result. Akara can be fried or baked. But if you don't like oil and you don't eat fried food, you can enjoy your akara by baking your akara in the oven. With just a few ingredients, you have made yourself a delicious, crispy and fluffy akara at home. Time to turn and flip again. Flip one after the other until you're done and fry till golden brown. Always keep the heat regulated as medium heat is always good for akara. No high heat and no low heat. If the heat is high, your akara will burn easily and will be uncooked inside. If the heat is low, it's going to soak up your oil. You can use your choice of oil to fry akara. Some use vegetable oil while some use palm oil. Whichever choice you make, whichever type of oil you use is your choice and it's okay. At this point, our akara is almost ready. After flipping, in a few seconds, I'll be scooping out this batch into a very clean bowl lined with a paper towel. The paper towel is to soak up any little oil left on the akara. Time to scoop them out. It is well cooked, well fried, and golden brown. To enjoy your akara for breakfast, you can pair it with akamu, also known as corn pudding. Enjoy it with oats, custard, or agidi. And for snack, you can pair your akara with bread or gari. I love eating my akara with fresh bread. Freshly baked bread, I will cut it open, stuff it with akara, like burger, and enjoy. After scooping this out, we'll be frying the next batch. Before scooping another batch into the oil, I'll be using my spoon to give the batter a good mix to rise again before I'll scooping into the oil. It's important you give your beans batter a good mix again before scooping into the oil. Following this method, you get a good result all the time. Very good akara all the time. It's important. Now we're going to scoop in one after the other like we did before until we are done scooping into the vegetable oil. Let me create a little space here. Okay. Time to flip. Flip one after the other. We'll do the same here as frying till well cooked and golden brown before we scoop them out. If you're a lover of akara and you like this recipe, give it a trial and drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know how it turned out. This recipe is perfect for everyone and for every occasion. With this recipe, you can always make akara at home. Time to turn and flip. The akara is frying well and looking all gorgeous. Steps to follow to achieve your authentic Nigerian akara. 1. Measure out your beans. 2. Select and wash the beans. Peel them off. After peeling, soak your beans for 1 hour. After soaking, take your beans for blending to the mill or you blend at home. The next, mix Add your spices and fry. If you have a video request, please kindly drop it in the comment section. I will attend to it and I'll be so glad to make that video for you. We're done frying this batch now. Time to scoop them out. After that, we'll be frying the next batch. I want to say a very big thank you to my returning subscribers and to everyone who finds time to watch my videos. Thank you so much. I love you all. Akara is a very delicious bean meal. It is healthy and highly nutritious, loved by everyone. Make it for your kids, for your friends and family. They will love it. For every occasion, Akara is perfect. I forgot to mention the type of beans I used for my Akara. I used the light brown beans, which is called the honey beans. Time to fry the third batch. We'll be scooping them one after the other until we are done scooping into the vegetable oil. I'll be frying them as well, flipping each side until they are well cooked, well fried, and golden brown. Akara comes in various sizes, from small, medium, and large size. Whichever size you prefer, you fry. You can step up the quality of your akara by adding minced meat, chicken, or some boiled eggs into your akara when frying. If you don't want it, you can fry it plain. You can also make akara fritters. You can make akara pancakes, baked akara. You can make your akara in various ways. But this recipe is the authentic Nigerian fried akara, the best of the best. We are almost done here. It's time to turn and flip. I'll be giving each one a flip, one after the other. After flipping it over, I'll be scooping because it's almost fried, almost done. You need to try this recipe. This is actually the best akara recipe. I tell you, you will get hooked when you try it out. After this, I'll be making some corn porridge, which I'll be pairing with this akara. I'm going to enjoy my akara with some akamu, which is also known as corn porridge. If this is your first time on this channel and you love my recipe, please give me a like and share. Subscribe to this channel for more easy food recipes. Turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. After this, we are done frying the akara. Then the next step will be tasting the akara and serving. We're going to taste it together to see how crunchy and fluffy it is. Akara is ready. The authentic Nigerian akara is ready. Let's taste one. It's crunchy. Yes. Wow, you can see. And very fluffy on the inside. Very crunchy, fluffy, and soft inside. This is delicious. Very, very delicious. Here I'll be serving my akara with some akamu. Then I'll go ahead and add a generous amount of milk into the akamu and sweeten it with some sugar. This combo is super delicious. If you don't like sugar, you can add honey into your akamu. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.